I want you to know how much we treasure the old-time Toastmasters who've been in the traditional program, because you guys are really the backbone of the district. Without you, we have no mentors, do we? All those new people that come into clubs, they need your experience. They need you there. You've been officers. You all been officers? Oh yeah, every kind of role? Yes. You are the people, you are the workers, and we are here to support you, because those new people coming into Toastmasters right now are coming right into Pathways. They don't have manuals anymore, so they need your help. They need your support, and we want you to be excited about Pathways, not just into Pathways because you have to be there. Now, when Pathways first rolled out, our club had a guide come talk to us, and she did a PowerPoint, and we asked her questions, and we were more confused when she left than when she came. It wasn't her fault. I actually talked to a Pathways guide, and I said, did they show you any projects before you took this role? She said, no. We were just given a PowerPoint where we went out to sell the project, telling them about the different flavors, that there were 10 different flavors. But how do you sell something you haven't seen? It's very difficult. How many of you have ever done any sales? Any kind of sales? Yes. Any sales at all? What do you know about sales? Is that if you believe in the product, you can sell it. But if you haven't seen the product, how do you believe in it? So that was a mistake on their part. They also, when you started into Pathways, when I first stepped in December 2017, the only project I could see was the icebreaker. Now, wasn't that a disappointment? Because we all knew the icebreaker, but we couldn't see anything else. It's like, here's this candy store, and we can't get in there. The door's closed. I wrote many letters, talked to them, because there's nothing wrong with having new people walk into this one-room schoolhouse and do those projects incrementally that keep getting more complex as you go along. But when you've been in Toastmasters for 30 years, that is not you. You are at the upper echelon of that one-room schoolhouse, and you do not want to be treated like a kindergartner. You need to be respected and allowed to go look at all the good projects that are ahead. And I am so grateful that as of September 12th, 2019, we can open up every project on every level. Isn't that great? We can go in and look at them all. We can download the whole project. We can put them in a notebook and paper if we choose to. So I was just talking today about the fact that it may not be easy to print right off the website. Somebody's tried that and it didn't work very well. But what you can do is you can go to that evaluation page. Now I'm kind of jumping ahead. I'm going to start the presentation, but I just wanted you to know that I'm going to pass this around so you can look at it while I'm talking. And I have the icebreaker in there, and I have the evaluation and feedback project, and you can flip through it, and everybody can print their projects if they want to and look at them. So there you go, Lance. Thank you for being here tonight. So one of the questions that we've been hearing from people who are people who love the CC. Well, here's my first CC. Woohoo! That was the really old version of the CC manual. Lots of great projects in the CC, and I had members who, when we couldn't look forward in those projects in the CC, in our Pathways program, they said, where are those projects that I love? And that was a reasonable question. But when I got to see all the projects, I just decided I was a VPE, and that it was my job to dive in and get through those projects and move forward so I could guide the other people. And because we're a group of writers, our club is Toastmasters for Writers, I knew that the thing that would appeal most to our members is presentation mastery. Because what they're using public speaking for is going to book signings, doing some interpretive reading of their own work, and those kind of uses of Toastmasters. It's all about public speaking. They weren't really looking toward corporate jobs or interviewing for different things. They weren't into management. That was where their focus was, and that's why I immediately went into presentation mastery. And I'm very happy that I did. I just finished presentation mastery this fall, and I'm through levels 1 and 2 in engaging humor. So let's get going.